The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is your ultimate guide for learning how to identify hundreds of plants to treat a variety of illnesses, symptoms, conditions, bumps, bruises and more. It is a survival guide infused with natural remedies that can be put together with plants from the earth. Everything you learn is 100% safe and natural, and without the long list of potential side effects that often come with conventional medicines. The natural remedies you learn also help treat and heal whatever it is you're using it for, instead of masking the symptoms with a prescription. So, whether you're looking to find a natural alternative for physical, mental, or emotional health conditions or for cleaning products, bug repellents and more, here's everything you can expect from the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies.
I look at herbal medicine as medicine that's been around for tens of thousands of years. It's not backed by big pharma, it's not backed by a lot of money, but it works. Tinctures are herbal extractions that you take internally, and salves are external things that you use for bug bites or wounds, or if you have arthritis or nerve pain. Anything that you have that needs fixing externally, I have a salve for that. So they're really well researched, they're really well crafted, and they're made with a lot of love in them as well. I feel like I have a relationship with the plants that I work with.